Are you facing a WhatsApp voice message issue on your iPhone? Whether they're not playing, sending, or recording, I know this is frustrating. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to solve the WhatsApp voice message problem on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your phone's volume is turned up and not muted. Your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Make sure to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. After trying these basic settings, now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check hardware issue. Open up the App Store. Tap search icon. Type check my device on the search bar. Tap install icon. Then tap open. After that, tap allow/don't allow. Scroll down. Now tap microphone test. Tap on the screen. Now tap on the record icon and try to record your voice. Then tap on the save icon to save your voice. Now tap on the play icon to check. If it plays your voice, then there is no problem with your hardware. But if it's not working, that means there is a hardware issue. Solution 2. Check microphone permission. Open up the settings app. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the privacy and security option. Now scroll down again. After that, tap on microphone. Make sure to toggle on the WhatsApp here. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to the settings again. Then tap on general. Next tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next tap on WhatsApp. Then tap offload and again tap offload. After that, tap reinstall it. Solution 4. Enable background app refresh. Go to the settings app. Tap on general. Scroll down. Tap on background app refresh. Again tap on background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 5. Update your WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type WhatsApp. Now find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see update option available there, then update the app. Hope your issue is solved now. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.